Hi, this is our Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lid on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new lid for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. To complete this repair, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. The washer's lid is responsible for sealing the washer during operation. If the lid is broken or damaged, the washer may leak or may not start at all. Open the washer's lid. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the hinge on the right side of the washer as you lift the lid. Then slide the lid to the right as you lift to remove it. If you need a new lid, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the left hinge to the washer and slide it into place. Then, depress the right hinge and slide the lid into place and release the hinge. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.